In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an additional account in XM. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click up here, and then you want to go to either Real or Demo, depending on which account you would like to open. So if you want to open a additional Real account, click on Real, click on the plus icon, and then Real again. So for me, as you can see, I don't have my account verified just yet, so it will not let me open an additional account. So if that happens to you as well, make sure you actually verify your profile before you can open up an additional account. But if you do have, you can of course just open it, or if you want to create an additional demo account, click on the plus button, demo, and then you can go through this process, which is basically exactly the same one as you could use for creating another real account. So it's the same process. For the only exception, it is either a real or demo account. So click on what version of MetaTrader you want to use, click on what account type you want, and then you can customize your account over here. Give it a name, investment amount, base currency, and the leverage. Click on continue, and then you have to type in your password you want to use for the MT5 login or MT4 login as well. Click on complete, and after that your account will be completed and you'll be able to see it over here on your list of either demo or real accounts. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.